Nowadays, data science industry is booming in a brighter way because see everything was analog, now it is converted to a digital. Forget about smartwatch. Now in your refrigerator also it is keeping a track of your groceries. We have some automated sweeping machines. So everything is collecting a data. Hi, I am Vinay Gowda. I am a data engineer. I am currently working in Axis Bank. So I have done my masters from RV College of Engineering, and I have done my undergraduate from Bangalore Institute of Technology. I have done my bachelor's in civil engineering. So I'm a non-tech guy. I was a non-tech guy to be specific. So once I was into my core domain. So basically, I was looking at the what are the great career opportunities right then back then 2018. So during that time, I was very curious to know like how world is moving ahead in a corporate life. So when I was exploring, so then I got to know that like I told, everything is getting digitalized. So digitalized means data. When there is a data, there should be an engineer. So like that, I explored the data science stream. So then I saw some random videos and got to know what all the skills we need in order to be a data engineer or a data analyst. So I learned them. So after learning, I started giving interviews, though I got some rejections from multiple companies at the initial stage. So later I got a job in a reputed bank. So now I am a data engineer with more than 3 years of experience. Nowadays, data science industry is booming in a brighter way because see everything was analog, now it is converted to a digital. Forget about smartwatch. Now in your refrigerator also it is keeping a track of your groceries. We have some automated sweeping machines. So everything is collecting a data. So if data is getting generated, there should be someone to clean the data and to process the data and to get a great insights out of the data. So that's how the data engineering stream or data science stream is growing day by day. Data engineers are the bridge to even data science, data scientist or data analyst. So data analyst के लिए also they need data. Data scientist also for them also they need data, and to give them a good data. So as a data engineer, we need to develop pipelines. So I want to stick myself in the data engineering only because it's a very vast. We have a lot of opportunities with the different companies. In terms of count, data engineers will be a huge count compared to other two. So that's why I want to stick with data engineering only.